Hi everyone, and welcome to the Invideo tutorial, where you'll be learning how to create social media videos quickly and easily without the use of any external programs. To follow along, all you need to do is sign up with Invideo. And if you use my link in the description below, you'll get a free trial for a limited time of Invideo Premium membership. After that, it's $20 a month. So click on the link below for your free trial and let's get started. To begin, let's jump straight into the website invideo.io. Here you'll be greeted with a nice clean interface showing you the most commonly used tools that would suit most projects. So these include picking from your favorite social media platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, or you can also browse the pre-made videos down below here, like so. So let's go ahead and choose one of these pre-made videos and preview it by clicking on the down arrow here, like so. Excellent. And you'll also notice that the website helps you choose what options to use next according to your needs. So from here, we can choose what type of size we want our video to be. So now that you're familiar with the options, let's go ahead and create an example video. Now, although there is an option to create a video from the blank templates, the quickest and easiest way is to choose from one of the pre-made templates on the website. So let's go ahead and choose the pre-made templates tab. Or if your video is a little bit more text heavy, you can choose the text to video tab in the middle as well. Now, in the next box below, you'll want to choose what platform you want to publish your video on. So here we have the options for Facebook stories, YouTube, Instagram stories, Facebook news feeds, Instagram posts, and if you'll click on the right arrow here, you'll also find that there are more options to choose from here as well. Now, what you choose from here will determine the size and aspect ratio of your final video. So you'll see if we choose Instagram TV, the videos below will transform into a portrait shape here. Whereas if we go back and choose an Instagram post, they will turn into a square format. And if we choose a YouTube, you'll see that they are now on a landscape format here as well. Excellent. So let's go ahead and choose an Instagram story for an example, but feel free to choose from any of the options depending on your needs. The workflow will be exactly the same. Next, we'll want to choose from the thousands of templates on the website by scrolling down from here. And you'll see that we've got the most popular templates at the top, or the ones that are popular at the moment. And as we scroll further down on the front page, we'll get more template videos and categories to choose from. However, if we're looking for something a little bit more specific, we can also use the search bar at the top here, above our platform selections. So let's go ahead and choose one of these editor's picks videos here. So I'm just going to pick this one. Click use this template to move on to the next section. And then with this template, it requires you to upload a logo file. So let's go ahead and select a file from our computer and upload it. So I'm just going to click and drag a logo in here and wait for it to finish uploading. And then once it's done, you'll see that we've got our video template here complete with our logo in the middle. This screen here is the main studio of Invideo, and it's where we'll find most of our options to change the main elements of our design, from the video itself to the music and even some effects. So let's go through these one by one just to get the basic feel of it. Over on the left here, you'll find our main options where we can change the main elements of our design. So let's go ahead and click on music. And here you'll see the default selected music for our template at the top here. But we can also change that by first selecting a category at the top here from the drop down box, and then previewing and choosing a new track from the list of options that we have here below. Now we can also add new stylized text. So if you click on the text tab here, so let's go ahead and click on one of these to add it to our video. And then we can just click and drag it on our website template to place it where we want it. And if we want to then remove it, all we have to do is click on the delete button on our keyboard, like so. Excellent. The stickers and effects and the shapes and other options down below here work exactly the same. Remember to use the search button at the top here if there is a search bar to find anything specific, and then all you have to do is just click on the sticker or the text or the effect that you want just to add it to your video. Remember, if you want to then go ahead and delete the sticker, all you have to do is either select it and then click on or press the delete button on your keyboard, or click on the delete button on the top right here, like so. Now let's go ahead and bring our attention to the right side of the screen, where you'll find options to edit each of the elements that we've added to our scene here. So for example, we've added the text from the left selection, and we can go ahead and change certain things like what the text says. So let's go ahead and select it, and let's change the text here on our keyboard like so. And then once you've done that, you'll find that the text then changes over here as well. And you'll see that there's two elements of this text sticker. So I'm just going to click on the element up here, and then we can change this as well, like so. Excellent. And with that selected, we can also go ahead and change other elements of our sticker here as well. So you can see we've got options to change the style and the primary font. We can change the font size, and we can also change the colors, as well as the drop shadow and even the animation, which we'll explain later on in the video. Now let's go ahead and select our logo here. And we can also resize our logo by clicking and dragging one of the corner widgets like so, and then clicking and dragging our logo again here to recenter it, like that. Excellent. Now over on the right here, you'll also notice that we've got the animation option here. So let's go ahead and click under that, and you'll see that we've got three options here: the in animation, in place animation, and the out animation. So let's go ahead and change how it animates from these selections. So with the in animation selected, we can go ahead and preview how our video animates our logo. So you'll see from our preview video what our intro logo animation looks like so. Now we can also go ahead and go back to our in animation and choose from the drop down menu another type of in animation that we can use, such as these bounce options here. So let's choose a bounce from down. And one of the handy things that we've got here is if we go ahead and scroll over these animations, you can see how these animations look like from the little thumbnails here as well. So you can see from up how the mountain animation sort of animates. And if we choose bounce from in, how that animates as well. So let's go ahead and choose a bounce from in animation, and then click on the preview button here to see what that looks like. Excellent. And we can do exactly the same for our out animation as well. So far for our out animation, it's been selected as none, but we can also choose an animation for that as well. So let's go ahead and choose one of these fade options. So we've got a fade out option here. And for the middle animation in place, that's usually set to none. So this is the animation in between the in animation and the out animation. So here we want our logo to proudly display in the center of our video. So let's click on the play scene here to preview our video. So first of all, you'll notice that we've got this bounce animation for our logo. And then as the animation finishes, you'll notice our logo will slowly fade out. And we can do exactly the same for all the elements of our video. So you'll see here, we've got an animation option for our text sticker here, which has an in and out option, just as our logo had. And we can also do the same for our social media links here as well. So you can see for each of these, as we select them, we've got an animation option, as well as some other options that we can choose and go ahead and edit as well, such as the colors and the text. Awesome. So once you've finished editing all the elements you've added to your video, it's time to export the video to your computer. To do this, simply click on the export button on the top right of the screen, and we'll move on to the next step. This will take you to a new window here where you can download and share your video. Depending on the size of your video, it might take a while. But once it's done, simply click on the download button here or use one of the social media buttons to share it. So there you have it. How to create a video for social media in minutes using Invideo. Have fun creating your own videos, and I'll see you next time.